But
John Outdoor Videos. Like and subscribe.
11 alpha. Unnamed. We'll look it up later.
Yeah. I always have to look them up later.
Link to the mountain project in the video.
That would be efficient.
Use creator code JohnOutdoorVideos to save 10% on your Miguel's parking.
On your Miguel's parking pen. This is fucking funny.
There's an endurance factor there. Like with the, when you're climbing longer, so they factor that into the rating, whereas these are short, so they tend to be like short and bouldery.
wait, it's a 10D.
This is a 10D.
At least a long one.
It was downgraded.
It doesn't matter. Climbed rocks.
They were like, alright, this cannot be 11A.
No, come on.
It's the same color as the rock, huh?
And the pants.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I'm with you.
Yeah, no doubt. That's that'd be a really hard bolt to hang.
How is that?
These are all kind of small.
I mean, nothing.
I hung the bolt with my hand when I kicked mine.
Yeah, holy smokes. Nice job, Toshi.
Did you like that?